My name is Kaisa Sтэндиш and I'm the Deputy Head of Mission of Embassy of Finland here in Kazakhstan. Finland has a goal of becoming economically, socially and environmentally sustainable society by 2030. Sustainability, among other things, is about respecting, caring, enjoying and loving our nature. Preserving its beauty should be a priority in today's society. Finland's untouched nature and pristine wildlife is at the core of Finnish way of life. It is important for us to live in harmony with our environment. This includes not only our beautiful nature and landscapes, but also respecting our people and our age-old traditions. To experience the Finnish way of living ethically and in a sustainable way is about making smart, eco-friendly choices in your everyday life. Starts with something simple, like choosing what you eat.
Choose local, fresh, wild, and pure. Finns take their food very seriously. As a nation, we grow with a close relationship with our forests and lakes. It is common for Finns to be able to identify most edible plants, berries and mushrooms found in nature. Fishing, hunting and foraging are still a natural part of the Finnish lifestyle and form the very basics of our modern food culture too. Aromatic, nutrient-rich, seasonal, and very clean. That pretty much sums up Finland's unique Arctic wild food culture. Come and discover Finland's rich food scene and unique flavors for yourself. Consider slow shopping and green design. Vintage, recycled, organic, fair trade, homemade. The ethical list of slow products and fashion is long. Green design, on the other hand, can include anything from architecture to furniture, made from renewable sources ethically. Finland is a leader in both slow fashion and slow design. Already now you can buy Finnish swimsuits made entirely out of plastic waste from the sea, or find stores that do not sell anything made of other than recycled fabrics. By choosing products with an eco-label and traveling to destinations that take environmental protection seriously, you offset some of the burden put on the planet. Finally, think about slow travel. Want to discover authentic Finland? Then we advise you to take your time and slow down. To get a true sense of place and people, one needs time. Choose train over car if you can, and explore your local surroundings on foot or by bike. All cities and most small towns have bikes for rent in Finland. Helsinki's bikes rental system is the most used by citizens in all of Europe. Traveling by bike is by far the best way to experience Finland, whether you are heading to the fells of Lapland, along the scenic routes of coastal Finland, or exploring Lakeland's beautiful waterways from the shore. And because Finns are so connected to nature, there is almost certainly a trail system nearby where you can walk, cycle, or run and ski in winter.
Once we live in more healthier and certain times, please visit our beautiful country to experience the choice of Finnish way of living. In the meanwhile, you can visit many of our museums virtually. You can take a peek of the Finnish wilderness through various live webcams, or listen online our Rent a Finn guides to provide tips how to become happy like a Finn, no matter where you are physically. And most importantly, start practicing our mantra: respect, treasure, enjoy, love. Use these words when you are in Finland and you will enrich your visit and help to preserve our beautiful nature. Nature will be grateful for your care.